Hello, good evening. So, what we want to do is how to split GDB into various local governments. So, assuming you are giving the bulk GDB of your state GDB. So, the first thing you have to do, put the GDB you are giving. So, this is the GDB of Abia that I was given. The 5 LGAs we are working in Abia that I was given. So, I want to split these GDBs into the various local governments. So, usually I open my attributes table for both the EA and the building, so that what I'm doing, I'll be shaking it. So in the EA, I will just use selection by attributes. Selection by attributes. You come here and select your EA name, then select LGA code equals to type in the LGA code you want to extract. Now I want to extract Aroshuku, and the LGA code for Aroshuku is 639. So type in 639. Click on verify. It will tell you that you successfully verify, apply, and OK. So the Aroshuku LGA, the EAs in Aroshuku LGA will automatically be selected. So I usually export one by one. So you selected your EA. So it assume you already have a GDB where you want to export this EA to. So you click on it, click on your export data. Click on your export data. That's the normal way we do export. You come here, you select where your output is going. So I have a GDB here that is empty. I'll be exporting it into this empty GDB. Assuming that is my Aroshuku GDB. You open it. You type for enumeration area is what I'm exporting now. I'll type my enumeration area. Then make sure you are exporting it in file geodatabase and not as shape file. Then you save, and after saving it, you OK it and wait for it to complete the export. Aroshuku have 395 EAs, and you see it count the 395. You can choose to add it to your table of content if you want. So we've successfully exported the enumeration area for Aroshuku. So having done that, remember the EAs are still highlighted. The EAs in Aroshuku are still highlighted. So you can select our building. Use selection by location now to select our buildings. Within source layer, apply. Sorry, my laptop is a bit overwhelmed. So you have to wait for it to select all the buildings. And OK it. So all the buildings have been selected. So just the same way you did with your EA, you come to the building, right click on it, select your export data, get to the GDB you are exporting it into. I see using this my empty GDB. Open the enumeration area and type building. Note you are still exporting to file and personal geodatabase and not as shape file. You OK it and wait for it to finish exporting. We have over 39,000 buildings in Aroshuku, so you see it counting and all of them are fully exported. So that is basically that. So if I remove the old GDB that I added here, so what we'll basically have here will be just the GDB of Aroshuku, the EAs and the GDB of Aroshuku. That is what will basically have my imagery left. So you do the same you do the same for all the LGAs you want to split in your GDB. So that is it. Thank you.